So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find any wallet that you can see on Twitter. Some people don't wanna dox their wallets, but I'm going to show you the way how you can find those wallets even though they didn't post this on Twitter or that wallet isn't listed on the solscan. If you guys watching solscan, you definitely don't wanna be following those wallets because you're gonna be their exact liquidity. So the point of this video is not to essentially just copy one of the most popular wallets from solscan. We want to find those underrated wallets that sometimes you might see on Twitter. Sometimes you're gonna find those really profitable traders that didn't make their wallet public and they are still really profitable traders. So step number one, what you'll need to do is to look on this image. Okay, so we know that this guy is using Trojan bot. We can see how much he invested and we can see how much he made profit from this coin. So first, we need to go ahead to bullx and we need to just remember the ticker. So we need to go ahead and find it. So once you got that, we're gonna expand this view and we're gonna go to top traders. And here we've got some very important details like the amount bought, the amount sold, and the P&L. So we want to go back to this image and first we want to look how much profit he made. So it's the easiest way to do that, essentially just expand it. And okay, so he made almost 55,000. So it's important when you want to find a specific wallet, you want to do it quick because sometimes they might be keep buying on the same wallet and the price might increase and the invested amount might increase, or they might be still holding. So it's get messy. But in this case, this is the final amount. And if you're gonna go back to this to the token, you can see that we've got the 55,000 profit. And the also buy amount also matches, so 571 and 55,000. It might be plus 1k, minus 1k, somewhere around those regions, but it's definitely his wallet. And also he's using Trojan bot, so if you go back here, you can also see the Trojan icon. Sometimes if you want to dig even further, you can go ahead to that wallet and you can go to most profitable. And you're gonna see other trades that he is making, like for example, Nye, Nava, Griffin, and so on. So you can go to his profile and you can see what other tokens he was shilling. Okay, so we got Trump. So if you're gonna go back here, we're gonna go to most profitable. You can see that he has Trump as well. So we got wallet number one. Let's go ahead and find now wallet number two. So you can see this guy bought Cerberus, he invested 2.5 Sol, he profited 5.2. So you want to search for that ticker on bullx. Once you got that, we can go ahead and simply find those tokens by the amount. So he profited 652 and he invested 2.5 Sol, which is around $300. And you can see this is his wallet because he purchased for $300. He made, after all, $532. And how I know this, because you can see we've got these sparkle icons, which is the holder of bullx, Photon, Trojan, bonk, etc. But from the fact I know that of all Photon users, they have the sparkles. So bullx, they didn't make the icon for Photon because it's the competitor. So basically you can see all of the sparkles, they are probably Photon user. And we can verify that further if you're gonna click on that wallet. And then we're gonna go to most profitable. You're gonna see all of the tokens here. And then if you go back to his image that he posted, you can see we've got the PT. So let's go back. You can see you got the PT. Then next image, we've got Reba. So Reba, another token that it's there. Another token that you can see is Cerberus, and the last tokens is Chance. So let's go back here and you can see Chance. So all of these 4 tokens that he listed on this image, you can find essentially here. So you can save this wallet, you can click on this icon and you can save this wallet if you want to track this guy to see what he's buying, what he's flipping. So that's essentially wallet number 2. So now here's another example. This is a Mitch wallet, so I know which wallet is that already, but let's say someone is going to post the wallet balance, right? So you can see all of the tokens and you can see how much he holds and etc. So there's a way to do that. You can essentially use solscan for that. But first, let's say we want to find a token like Retardio. So we need to get the contract address. So what you want to do, you want to go to bullx again, just search for Retardio. Then you want to copy the contract address. We want to go to solscan, which is the blockchain explorer. We want to search for the contract address and you're going to see the token Retardio here. So then you want to go to holders. So we mainly going to be looking on the quantity. So if we're going to go back to the image, you can see that he has 7.26 mil. So we want to go to the next page, and we've got 7.26 mil. and the value right now is 121k. But if you're gonna go to the image, is 100k. So it was a little bit lower, so now it's a little bit higher. And if you want to verify that even further, you can click on this address, and you're gonna see all of other tokens that he is holding. So you got Sigma, but essentially those tokens match those tokens from the image. So that's essentially, those are the two methods how you can find those wallets. Sometimes it might be a little more difficult when there's a ton of traders for a specific token. When there's really volatile, it might be really difficult, but it's definitely possible to find some of these influencer wallets or some wallets that weren't publicly announced on Twitter. So if you guys found this video useful, let me know in the comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.